Hi, Big Tractor Power fans. This video comes to you from a winter wheat field located in central Illinois, where a variety of Red Power farm machinery is working on harvesting the grain and straw. These machines from the 1960s, 70s, 80s, and 90s are harvesting the crop. A Case IH 2188 Axial-Flow combine is harvesting the wheat and moving the grain with an international 2+2 3388 tractor operating a J&M 875 grain cart. This combine is not only harvesting the grain, but it's also windrowing the straw left over from the wheat. Picking up the windrows of straw is an international 430 14x18 small square baler. Powering the baler is an international Farmall 1256 turbo tractor. The Model 2188 Axial-Flow combine was manufactured by Case IH in East Moline, Illinois, for model year 1995 through 1997. This was the largest combine available from the company during this time period. It's rated at 260 engine horsepower and has a 210 bushel grain tank. The combine working in this video is harvesting 30 feet of wheat at a time with a Case IH 1020 grain head. When a farm has a large volume of grain to harvest, it's always helpful to have a grain cart team in the field to assist the combine. A tractor and grain cart can allow the combine to harvest non-stop without having to head to the truck to unload. This farm is using an international 3388 2+2 tractor. This 130 PTO horsepower machine was manufactured by International Harvester at its Farmall plant in Rock Island, Illinois from 1979 through 1981. The tractor is operating a J&M 875 grain cart. This cart holds 875 bushels of grain and can allow the combine to unload 4 times before the tractor and cart head to the truck to unload and send the grain to the elevator. Straw is a valuable crop in addition to the grain that is harvested from the wheat plant. This farm is picking up the windrows of straw using their International 1256 Turbo Farmall tractor that was manufactured at the International Harvester Farmall plant in Rock Island, Illinois from 1967 through 1969. This 113 PTO horsepower tractor is powering an International 430 14x18 small square baler. This baler was manufactured at International's Memphis Works in Memphis, Tennessee from 1970 through 1977. The baler has a 65-inch wide pickup. It has 80 tines to collect the straw and has 75 strokes per minute to create the bales. This is an all-twine baler, which means it can use sizzle twine or plastic twine. I hope you've enjoyed spending some time out in the field hearing and seeing all of this Red Power farm machinery hard at work harvesting winter wheat and baling straw. I would like to hear in the comment section below the video if you raise winter wheat or other small grains. Tell me about the combine that you use to harvest the crop, and if you bale the straw, tell me about the tractor and baler that you're running. If you've enjoyed this presentation, I hope that you'll consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 2,000 videos of farm machines in action. If you would like to see additional content from the channel featuring wheat harvest, continue to watch for a few more seconds to the end screen for a direct link to 2 more Big Tractor Power YouTube videos. As always, thank you for watching.